Hey everyone, Anna here from the For Real YouTube channel. Have you ever found yourself staring at that frustrating iPhone locked to owner message, wondering if there's a way around it? You might have come across various services, software, or sketchy methods claiming to bypass iCloud activation lock. But let me tell you, there's a way better, safer, and totally legal alternative that's quicker and guaranteed to work. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to remove the iCloud activation lock from your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. So stick around, and let's dive into these foolproof methods together. Remember, this information is only for those who legitimately own their device and have forgotten their access info. We do not support illegal activities like bypassing security on stolen devices. Follow the law and respect others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's guidelines and community standards. With that said, let's get started. All right, let's get right into it. You might have seen services claiming to bypass the iCloud activation lock, but not all of them are trustworthy or safe. Many people get stuck with that iPhone locked to owner message after forgetting their access info. It can be super frustrating, but there's good news. There are some legit ways to get past this without breaking any rules. One of the best options out there is Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app. It uses advanced technology to help you unlock your device safely and legally. Another reliable service is Safe Unlocks, which has a straightforward process for removing the lock. Then there's Locked to Owner, which is known for its user-friendly approach. And don't forget about iUnlock app, which is also a great choice for getting your device back in action. These services are designed for those who genuinely own their devices and just need a little help. So, you don't have to worry about sketchy methods or illegal activities. It's all about getting you back into your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch the right way. You should know that these unlock services only work in first world countries. If you can't access the services or prefer not to use them, we offer 250 free unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your device model, your IMEI, and your country. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be automatically entered into our weekly draw. All right, to start the process, go to your browser on your phone or computer and navigate to unlockhere.com, an AI assistant-powered web app that helps you unlock any mobile phone restriction you might have. Let Nifty, the AI bot, know that you need an iCloud unlock by clicking on Activation Lock. Select that you have an iPhone, but you can also choose iPad or Apple Watch. Enter the IMEI or serial number. For iPhones, choose IMEI. Some iPads and Apple Watches have IMEIs if they have a SIM card slot or cellular capacity. Otherwise, enter the serial number. To find it on your locked device, press the sleep button. Press it again and tap on the I on the bottom right. It will show your device info. Don't forget to input the device information in step. Enter basic info to attach the order to your account. It needs to be real info so that you can receive your order confirmation. You will get a confirmation code sent to your email that you need to confirm. Check that you agree to the terms and that you don't plan on unlocking a stolen device, and tap Start Process. Solve the quick CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot. You will receive an email with a confirmation code. Check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes it lands there. Take the confirmation code and click the button to land on a page where you have to enter it and confirm you're not a robot. Once entered, your unlock process will start and your device will be unlocked. As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone locked to owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone. And as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it will be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked. So it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And there it is. In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to set it all up later. Make sure to check the terms and conditions, and skip the rest of the steps, and just do it all later on. Now, go to Settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap Forget Password or Don't Have Apple ID to create a new one. And here, you can just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. And yeah, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. The next method for people who don't like this one is coming up after this, so don't end the video. Alright guys, here are some more alternative ways to do it. If you're looking for legal methods to remove the iCloud activation lock, you've come to the right place. It's essential to know that these methods are intended for those who own their devices, but have forgotten their access details. One way to address this issue is by contacting Apple support directly. They can help if you provide proof of purchase. It's a straightforward process, but it might take some time. Another option is to use a trusted service like Safe Unlocks or the iUnlock app. These services specialize in unlocking devices legally and safely. They offer a user-friendly experience and have been proven to work effectively. For example, Safe Unlocks has a simple process where you enter your device's IMEI or serial number, and they handle the rest. If you're a bit more tech-savvy, you might try using the DNS bypass method. This involves changing the DNS settings on your device to temporarily bypass the activation lock. It's not a permanent solution, but can be useful in certain situations. Lastly, you can also consider using Unlock. Here's AI-powered unlocking web app, which offers a reliable way to unlock your device by following a few simple steps. Remember, these methods are for educational purposes and should be used responsibly. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you, or if you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback helps us improve and assist others. That's all for now, and see you on the next video.